Hello student, welcome you to Mohan's classes. In this class, we will learn lesson 3rd of your English textbook, Measure for Measure. Lesson 3rd of your English. The name of the chapter is Measure for Measure. Let us begin the lesson. Measure for Measure. Let's read line by line. Krishna Krishna Devaraya was known as for his patronage of poets and scholars. He was equally fond of fine arts. Once he came to know about a brilliant artist named Raja Burma. He invited Raja Burma to the court and asked him to draw his portrait. In this paragraph, it is said that Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya was famous for his what? Patronage. What is the meaning of patronage? That means providing support. Providing support is called what? Patronage. So Krishna Devaraya, he was famous or known for what? His patronage and providing support whom? To the poets and scholars. That means Krishna Devaraya was a person, he used to support to the poets and scholars. What is poet? Poet in the sense a person, those who write the poems. They are called poets. So he used to support or patronage to whom? Poets and scholar. Scholar means what? A learned person, or you can say an intellectual person, those who are expert in different subject and different things. So he used to patronage who? Krishna Devaraya. He was equally fond of fine arts. This Krishna Devaraya, he was equally fond of what? Fine arts. What is fond of? That means he was interested or he liked what? Fine arts. Once he came to know about a brilliant artist, and the name of the artist was Raja Burma. Listen carefully. Once who? Krishna Devaraya, he came to know about a brilliant or a what? As intelligent or a genius artist. What was his name? His name was Raja Burma. He invited Raja Burma to the court and asked him to draw his portrait. So this Krishna Devaraya, he invited the brilliant artist Raja Burma to the court. Court means to the palace of the king. And this Krishna Devaraya asked Raja Burma to draw his portrait. What is portrait? That means picture or sketch. We can see in this image that this Raja Burma has drawn the picture of Krishna Devaraya. So in this paragraph it is said that Krishna Devaraya was a famous person, and he was famous for what? Because of supporting poets and scholars. In same time he was also interested in fine arts. So once what happened? He come to know or he heard about a brilliant artist and his name was Raja Burma. Because of that reason what happened? Krishna Devaraya invited Raja Burma to his court. Which court? Whose court? The Krishna Devaraya palace, and asked him to draw his portrait. That means Krishna Devaraya said Raja Burma to draw the portrait of Krishna Devaraya or the king. Next paragraph. The king was very pleased with the artist when his portrait was ready. In the portrait, the majestic and handsome king seemed to have come alive with the frame. In this paragraph, it is said that the king was pleased. What is pleased? That means the king was happy or satisfied. Why? With the artist when his portrait was ready. That means when Raja Burma drew the portrait of King Krishna Devaraya, when Krishna Devaraya saw that portrait or that image or picture, Krishna Devaraya was pleased and happy by seeing that portrait and image. In the portrait, the majestic and handsome king. What is majestic? That means royal, or you can say very grand. That king, he looks what? Handsome. He looked handsome, and it seems that he was alive in the frame. He was alive in the frame. So in this paragraph, it is said that when Raja Burma drew the portrait of King Krishna Devaraya, when King Krishna Devaraya saw that portrait, he was pleased or he was satisfied, because in that portrait Raja Burma, he has drawn the majestic and handsome king, and it seems that the king was alive in a frame, or the portrait or image was alive inside the frame. Next paragraph. Apart from this portrait, Raja Burma drew images of famous characters from Puranas, of men and women, and so on. He became well known for his skills. He became close and dear to the kings. So what does this paragraph says? This paragraph says that apart from this portrait, that means not only this portrait, okay, or except other than this portrait or image, Raja Burma also draw images of famous characters. Of what? Of Puranas. We know that in Hindu religion there is a textbook called Puranas. So who? Raja Burma drew some of the famous character images of Puranas, of whom? Men and women and others. Next, he became well known for his skill. Who became well known? Raja Burma became very famous or well known because of his talent and art. He became close and dear to the king. Because of these activities, the portrait and some other images which were drawn by Raja Burma became very close to the king and dear to the king. So in this paragraph it is said that except this portrait, Raja Burma also drew some other images of Puranas, that means men, women and some other things. And because of his talent, whose talent? Raja Burma's talent, Raja Burma become very famous and well known. And through that reason, Raja Burma become very close to King Krishna Devaraya and also dear to the king. Next paragraph. Overwhelmed by joy, Krishna Devaraya called the artist and asked him what he wanted. When Raja Burma did not reply, the king, on the spur of a generous impulse, rewarded him with chief ministerships. So, this paragraph says that overwhelmed by joy. What is overwhelmed? That means king was covered or filled with joy by seeing the portrait and other images. King Krishna Devaraya, he was filled with joy, covered with joy, and because of that reason, King Krishna Devaraya called the artist. He called the artist and asked him that what he wanted. King Krishna Devaraya, he called the artist Raja Burma and asked him what he wanted. When Raja Burma did not reply, the king, on the spot of a generous impulse, rewarded him with the chief ministerships. But what happened? Raja Burma did not reply anything. That means he didn't ask anything. Who? Artist Raja Burma. He didn't ask anything. There what happened? The king, on the spur of a generous. What is spur? That means to encourage. And you could look at here, an event that encourages action. So to encourage whom? To Raja Burma with generous, a spur of generous impulse. What is generous? That means readiness to give kindness. Readiness to give kindness. Next is impulse. What is impulse? Sudden wish to do something. Sudden wish to do something. That means, what does this phrase means? On the spur of generous impulse. That means to encourage whom? The Raja Burma, and to give the to readiness to give kindness or to feel something or he wished to give something to Raja Burma. So what happened? He rewarded. What is reward? That means an award or prize for what? As a chief minister says. So in this paragraph it is says that when Krishna Devaraya the king saw the portrait and other images, he was filled with joy and he called the artist and asked him what he wanted. But the artist Raja Burma, he replied nothing. When Raja Burma replied nothing, to encourage Raja Burma or to show the kindness as you are willing to give something, king rewarded him as a chief ministership. Next, though Raja Burma was a good man and a brilliant artist, he had no experience whatsoever of administration. Soon everything was thrown into disorder because of his hasty decision and bad management of the state affairs. Though people were unhappy about his administration, they did not dare to complain to the king because the king was very fond of him. In this paragraph, it is said that Raja Burma was a good man. Artist Raja Burma was a good man and he was also a brilliant artist. What is brilliant? You look at here, downside the word meaning extremely good or highly intelligent. So he was a brilliant artist. Who? Raja Burma. Listen carefully. Raja Burma, he was a good man. Also, he was an excellent or brilliant artist. He had no experience whatsoever of administration. What is administration? That means management. He was a good man and he was a good brilliant artist, but he had no any experience of the administration of the state or the country, or he had no experience about the management. Soon everything was thrown into disorder. What is disorder? That means what? Not in proper. That means ulta pulta we can say. So as Raja Burma, he had no any experience about the administration or management. That's why very soon upon everything become disorder because of what? His hasty decision. What is hasty? Quick decision and bad management of the state affairs or the state matter. Raja Burma, he was a good man and he was a good artist, but he had no experience about the management. Because of that, okay, there was a lot of disorder and he took many what quick decision in the state's affair or the state matters. The people were unhappy with about his administration. That means the people of the states and the country, they were not happy with Raja Burma because of his administration and management, but nobody did not dare to complain to the king because the king was very fond of him. What happened? Though people were not satisfied and they were unhappy with Raja Burma, but they were not dare enough to complain to the king. Why? Because king was very fond of him. What is fond of him? That means look at here, liking somebody or something very much. That means king liked so much to Raja Burma. So in this paragraph it is says that Raja Burma was a good man and also a brilliant artist, but he had no experience about the administration and management. Because of that reason, what happened? There were a lot of disorder. Why? Because he used to take quick decision and he used to manage the state affairs or state matter very badly. People were not happy with his administration and with his management. Even people did not dare to complain to the king. Why? Because king was very fond of him, or king used to like him very much. Next paragraph. The elders of the town finally approached and sought Tenali Raman's help in getting rid of new and inept chief minister. So what happened? The elders of the town, that means the old person or the seniors of the town, they approached. What is approached? That means came near. To whom? They came near to Tenali Raman. They came near to Tenali Raman for what? In getting rid of this new and inept chief minister. That means to remove this Raja Verma from his chief minister post. Understood? The elders or the seniors of the village came to Raja Tenali Raman to remove Raja Verma from the chief ministerships. Next paragraph. Tenali Raman assured them, I shall soon find a harmless way to remove the artist from the chief minister. Then what happened? Tenali Raman assured. What is assured? He promised to the elder person that very soon he will find out a harmless. What is harmless? Safe or risk-free way that how he would remove whom Raja Burma from the chief ministership. After a few weeks, Tenali Raman invited the king, the queens, and some courtiers to his house for lunch. Meanwhile, he found a very good carpenter and put him on the job of preparing a grand feast for the king. In this paragraph, it is said that after a few weeks, because we know that from the above line, we learn Tenali Raman, when the elder people they came to Tenali Raman to find out the way to remove Raja Verma from the chief minister post, Tenali Raman he promised to the villagers that he would find out a solution to remove Raja Verma from the chief minister post. So after few weeks, in this paragraph, it is said that after few weeks, Tenali Raman he invited the king, the queens, and some other courtiers. What is courtiers? That means those who work in the court. For what? For a lunch. Where? To Tenali Raman house. Meanwhile, he found a very good carpenter and put him on the job of preparing grand feast for the king. So what did Tenali Raman do? He found a very good carpenter and he given the duty for preparing food, a grand. What is grand? That means huge or impressive. Feast means what? Either it is dinner or lunch for the king. That means Tenali Raman he called a carpenter to prepare food for whom? King, queens, and other courtiers. Understood? So in this paragraph, it is said that after few weeks, Tenali Raman invited the king, queens, and other courtiers for a lunch. In same time, Tenali Raman appointed or given the duty of preparing food for king and queens and the courtiers to whom? To a carpenter. Next paragraph. The king and others sat for lunch at Tenali Raman's order. The carpenter began serving them. As soon as they put the first morsel of food in their mouth, morsel of food in their mouths, the people began to request for water again and again. In this paragraph, it is said that the king and others sat for lunch at Tenali Raman's order. When Tenali Raman said, the king and others, they sat for what? For the lunch. And the carpenter began serving the food. Then the carpenter started giving food to king, queen, and other courtiers. As soon as they put the first morsel of food in their mouth, the people began requesting for water again and again. That means when they put the first morsel, what is morsel? That means small quantity of food. So when they put into their mouth the first time, what happened? Then people began requesting. Then people asked what? Water again and again. Next paragraph. Soon after tasting the food, the king realized that the food was badly cooked and was unbearable hot. He was angry. After that, the king also ate the food. The king ate the food, and when the king ate the food, he realized that the food was cooked very badly. The food was cooked very badly, and it was unbearable hot. What? It was unbearable hot. Because of that reason, the king was very angry. Understood? In this sentence, it is says that when others test the food and ask water again and again, thereafter king also tested the food, and king realized that the food was cooked very badly and it was very hot. So king got angry. Next sentence. Raman, who has cooked this food? Do you want us to suffer and die by eating this horrible food? So King Krishna Devaraya asked to whom? Tenali Raman. What he asked? Raman, who has cooked this food? Who had cooked that food? Then the king said that, do you want us all to suffer and die by eating this horrible food? What is horrible? That means unpleasant or dislike. So king said that, okay, by eating this food you want that, okay, we should suffer or they should suffer or die by eating the food. Such kinds of response given by king to Tenali Raman. Understood? King asked to Tenali Raman who had cooked that food, and he said that by giving such kinds of food, that he wanted to suffer them, or king said that, do you want all of us to suffer and die by eating the horrible food? Next paragraph. In his usual humble way, Tenali Raman said, I beg your majesty forgiveness. Then he showed the carpenter to the king. I have never come across such an excellent carpenter, and I have put him on the job of cooking the lunch for today's feast. What did Tenali Raman said? In a humble, what is humble? In a simple way. Tenali Raman said to king, what he said? I beg your majesty's forgiveness. That means he asked forgiveness or excuse. And he said that whom? Tenali Raman showed to the carpenter, to the king. Tenali Raman showed to the whom? Carpenter, to the king. And what Tenali Raman said? I have never come across such an excellent carpenter. Tenali Raman said to king that, my lord or majesty, I have never seen such excellent and brilliant carpenter in my lifetime, and because of that reason I have put him on the job of cooking the lunch for today's feast. I saw, okay, he was a good carpenter, excellent, that's why I have given the duty of preparing food for you. The king began laughing loudly. The king began laughing loudly. Have you lost all sense, Raman? The king said. Raman or Tenali Raman, have you lost all your sense? A good carpenter should be employed to work on wood, but not on food. King said that a good carpenter, he should be work for the wood, not to prepare the food. How did you get this funny idea? The king asked to Tenali, how did you get the funny idea? Understood? So in this paragraph it is said that when uh, king asked to Raman that, okay, who had prepared that food, and either he wanted to kill them by giving such kinds of food, then Tenali Raman said that, Majesty, Allah, forgive me, and he said that he is the carpenter who had prepared the food. And Tenali said that he had never seen such a brilliant carpenter, that's why he given the duty of preparing food for the king. By hearing this statement, in this paragraph it is said that king laughed loudly, and he asked to Raman that had he lost his sense and mind. Then the king said that a good carpenter should be employed or given the duty to work on the wood, but not to prepare food. Then the king again asked to whom? To Raman that from where did he get the funny idea? Next paragraph. The king began laughing loudly. Next paragraph. Tenali Raman asked to the king, Lord, if an artist can become a chief minister, can't a carpenter become a cook? So when king said that, how did he get the funny idea? Then what did Tenali Raman replied? He said that, what? Lord, if an artist can become a chief minister, can't a carpenter become a cook? So Tenali Raman said that if an artist become chief minister, who are the artist? That means Raja Burma. He was an artist, and he became the chief minister. And when become chief minister, okay, he was unable to what manage or do the administration of the country properly. Why? Because he had no experience, and the villagers asked him to remove from the post. And Tenali Raman, he had promised that he will soon or very soon he will find a way that okay, he would remove the Raja Verma from the chief minister post. That's why here the Tenali Raman said to the king that if an artist become a chief minister, then why can't a carpenter become a cook? Next sentence, the king at once understand that Tenali Raman got a carpenter to cook the food to make him realize his error, making Raja Verma the chief minister. So when it was said by Tenali Raman, what it was said, that if an artist become a chief minister, why can't a carpenter become a cook? So king understood and he realized that actually what Tenali Raman wanted to say. So here now what happened? It says that the king at once understood that Tenali Raman got a carpenter to cook the food to make him realize his error. King understood that Tenali Raman brought a carpenter to prepare food. The reason is that Tenali Raman want to teach or to make realize king that he has done mistake. What error? That means mistake. By how? To making Raja Verma the chief minister. That means to make king realize that as the king had made chief minister to an artist, to make him realize that mistake, Tenali Raman had brought a carpenter to prepare the food. Next paragraph. The king was saved from the embarrassment of removing Raja Verma from the post, because when Raja Verma came to know about the awkward incidents at Raman's house, he immediately resigned from his post. In this paragraph, it is said that the king was saved from embarrassment. What is embarrassment? Thus, look at the meaning here. The same you feel when your guilty is made public. That means when our mistakes is spoken or shown to public, when you feel guilty, okay, that is called embarrassment. So but the king was saved. How? Because when Raja Verma heard about the incident, what incident? That happened in the Tenali Raman's house, Raja Verma he himself came and asked whom? The king to resign from his post. Listen carefully. Raja Verma came to know about the awkward incident. What is awkward? Uncomfortable, or which a bad situation. Then immediately he came. Who? Raja Verma came to the king and requested him for what? Or he resigned from his post. What resign? That means leave from the post or position. Understood? So when these incidents happen, that means before the king should feel guilty before the public, Raja Verma came to know about the incidents or this awkward or the bad situation which happened at Tenali Raman's house. So Raja Verma came to King Krishna Deva Raya and he resigned from his post, or he left or his job from the ministerships. Last sentence. Later Raja Verma told Tenali Raman that he was happy to remain an artist. Then what happened? Later Raja Verma told whom? To Tenali Raman. Raja Verma told to Tenali Raman that he was happy to be remain as an artist. So Raja Verma said that he didn't need of the chief ministership position, and he said that okay, he was happy to be an artist. Hope all of you understood. Measure for measure. That means we have to measure everyone equally or according to their duty. That means according to our talent or knowledge only we can have the post. Or the moral of this lesson is that a person who doesn't know, if you give that post or position, he will mislead or he will misadministrate. Example, if I am an English teacher, but if I will given the subject of maths, then everything will be horrible and awkward. I can't teach properly. Seems like that if a maths teacher will given the English subject, he can't teach properly. That's why according to one's talent, he or she has to do the duty. So that means based on our talent, skill and knowledge, we have to perform our duty. We should not do other activity. This is the moral of this lesson. We know that Raja Burma, he was a good artist, but by seeing his artist, the King Krishna Deva Rai, he was very happy and he given the post of ministership. But what happened? Raja Burma, he had no idea or no experience about the ministerships, and because of that he used to take quick decision and people were not happy with that. That's why they went to Tenali Raman and request him to remove Raja Burma from the post, and Raja Burma he said that he would find the solution very soon. What happened? One day he called to king, queen and other courtiers for a lunch to Tenali Raman's house, and he asked a carpenter to prepare the food. When the peoples and the king they start eating food, when the first time put food on their mouth, what happened? They start asking water again and again. And when king ate, okay, he said that who had prepared this food? And king said that either he wanted to kill them or what. Then Tenali Raman said that he is the person who he showed to the carpenter and said that he is a good carpenter or brilliant carpenter. That's why I have given or told him to prepare the food for you. Then king laughed loudly and he said that from where he got this what funny idea. Thereafter Tenali Raman said to king that if a artist can become a chief minister, why can't a carpenter become the what chef, or he can prepare the food? Then king realized his mistake, that or king understood that why Tenali Raman told to a carpenter to prepare food. That means to make realize that king has done mistake by making Raja Burma an artist to a chief minister. So hope all of you understood.